Hello, awesome artists. Today we have been talking about how we can create a rainbow or rainy day jar art project. We looked at different kinds of rainbows in art class and the science behind how a rainbow is created. We looked at how our eye views a rainbow, how the raindrops create the rainbow for us to see, and it's really pretty magical. We also explored the different order of colors that are in the rainbow and how we see them with our eye. So we're going to take all this information from what we learned about from rainbows and how we can decorate our own rainbow colored jar. Here's an example I was working on. I started off using a black marker. You could use a black crayon or whatever you have available. And you want to think about a place in your picture where you can include the whole rainbow. And if you want to put it in the order, you can. It doesn't have to be that way. I put a rainbow inside my jar, and then I also put a rainbow on the top. That was just what I decided. I'm also going to add some like raindrops to this picture. I think that'll look really neat. Why not? And then just lightly put some here. So you want to really try and stick to just the colors you see in the rainbow for the theme. The first step that I want to start with, I'll show you an example, is to use the black to just kind of outline the main picture. So you want to think about what shape you want to do your jar. So I'm going to try and do this one a little bit different than my last example. So there's my jar. I'm going to end up putting a rainbow in there. And then you want to add just some details, and you can do this however you want. I'm going to make mine look like it's kind of on a land. And so what we'll end up doing later is filling in the paper with the colors of the rainbow. Maybe some flowers. You could put people. It's up to you. Maybe I'll add a sun to this one. Can color it in later. Maybe another flower. Why not? However you want to do it, you'll draw out the whole thing using black. And then that's when you'll start adding your rainbow color. And we can look back to the order of the rainbow if you want to stick with doing it that way. Maybe I'll do this one more abstract, just some like colors like that. Red and then orange. It's all up to you. And then I'll spend some time coloring in these other details. Here's the first one I did. And of course, have fun.